Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hero to Superhero series on Python machine learning algorithms. Alright guys, we have seen three different algorithms in the previous lessons. Now let's take a look at forecasting algorithm. So what is forecasting algorithm? So it's a pretty interesting stuff. It's widely used again for across the ML industry, right? Or especially on the data science area. So the machine learning forecasting algorithm often uses a technique that involves more complex features and predictive methods. But the objective of machine learning forecasting method is the same as that of traditional methods to improve the accuracy of forecast while minimizing the loss function. So I'm sure you guys understand what is the loss functions and stuff like that, sigmoid functions and stuff like that. You guys are experts. So in case if you don't understand, you need to start the ML journey from the scratch and I can help you one-on-one. Do reach out to me. So basically machine learning forecasting provides highly accurate and predictive forecasts, right? So that's pretty much evident, which basically enabled by the iterative nature of machine learning where the information is continually fed back into the system. This combination of using both historical information and the new data sets, both internal and external, which basically enables highly accurate forecasts to be produced or intended. And then you create the dashboards and you create multiple charts and stuff like that based on the input of the data, and then your algorithm runs and it does the predictive analysis and it forecasts the stuffs what exactly you are expecting. Now that will depend upon the project which you are the machine learning project which you are building, right? It all depends upon the set of data which you are going to use. So anyway, so that's how this particular algorithm works, and let's move on to the IDE. I'm going to show you a simple couple of lines of Python code which can actually execute the forecasting algorithm. You can just play around. So let me open up my Visual Studio. Alright, so we are importing NumPy as NP, which is the keyword, and then pandas. It's again a beautiful package, keyword as PD, and scikit-learn, sklearn.preprocessing, and then SVM. I'm going to talk about SVM at a later stage. Right now, just go ahead and import these libraries. And in the previous lesson, I did show you how to install these packages and libraries, right? So let me show you once again. If you don't understand, just if you are using a Windows machine, type CMD, open the terminal. Alright, in the terminal, what you need to do, for example, NumPy, let's say NumPy. So pip 3 install NumPy. I have already installed, I'm just showing it to you folks. Install, hit enter button, and requirement already satisfied, right? So it says requirement already satisfied. So same way sklearn, scikit-learn and pandas. So that's the way you are going to install the libraries. Once you install, you go ahead and pick up this code. So let's check how many lines of code is this. So wherever possible, I have put in all the explanation. You can just go ahead and understand. And in case if you don't understand, you need hand holding on line by line of these codes, do reach out to me. Do not hesitate. I will walk you through step by step. I will give you the entire source code. Take my help and go ahead. Now this is line number 146. There are 146 lines of code in this. So alright, anyways, so that's it. Now I'm not going to execute this particular code because there's a pretty heavy duty algorithm. You need a pretty good machine. Of course I can run in my machine, but parallelly I'm doing some other project, so I don't want to run this code at this point of time. Anyways guys, so that's it about this lesson. Reach out to me for any help and take this code and build your machine learning project using this particular algorithm and enjoy. Goodbye.